In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail filters and labels effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clutter-free inbox, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Gmail and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar where your email folders are located. Scroll down until you spot the More option. Give it a click, and you'll see a menu expand with a variety of additional options. From here, select Create New Label. Now, think about how you want to categorize your emails. This will help in naming your label appropriately. For instance, if the goal is to sort work-related emails, consider names like job offers or invoices. Once you've settled on a name, type it into the provided field and click the Create button. You'll see your newly created label appear in the left-hand menu, perfectly ready to be applied to your emails either manually or automatically when we establish some filters. Next, let's shift our attention to creating a filter. At the top of your Gmail screen, there's a search bar. Toward the right end of this bar, you'll notice a small downward arrow, which is the Show Search Options button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various criteria fields. These fields allow you to specify precisely which emails you want your filter to capture. You might wish to filter emails from a particular sender, so go ahead and input their email address in the From field. If there are certain keywords you'd like to focus on, you can enter those into the Subject field. Moreover, if there are particular phrases within the body of the email that you're targeting, use the Has the Words field. You can even set a size limit to filter emails that are larger or smaller than a specific size. After you've filled in your criteria, scroll down to the bottom of the window and click Create Filter. Now it's time to choose the action you want to apply to these filtered emails. To organize them using the label you've just created, select Apply the Label, and pick your label from the drop-down menu. If you'd rather keep these emails out of your inbox view, you can opt to skip the inbox or archive it. Once you've decided on the actions, complete the process by clicking Create Filter again. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Gmail filter that will automatically organize incoming emails using the label you created. With these tools at your disposal, managing your inbox becomes a breeze, allowing you to concentrate on what's truly important. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!